With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is given. This is the diagram. And here a cooking vessel on a slow burner contains 5 kg of water and an unknown mass of ice in equilibrium at 0 degrees Celsius at time t equal to 0. The temperature of the mixture is measured at various times and the result is plotted as shown in figure. During the first 50 minutes, the mixture remains at 0 degrees Celsius and from 50 minutes to 60 minutes, the temperature increases 2 degrees Celsius, neglecting the heat capacity of the vessel, the initial mass of the ice is. So here we have to find the initial mass of the ice and this diagram is given and this option is given. We have to choose which one is the right. So firstly here we can see that we have to given this unknown mass and here we have to find in first 50 minutes. Then we have to find in first 50 minutes, then from 50 to 60 minutes. So firstly here we can write. So here let m be the mass of ice. M is the mass of ice and take in kg. So here we can write a rate of heat given by the burner is constant. So here in the first 50 minutes, we find the rate of heat given by the burner is constant. So we can write dq upon dt. And here the specific heat we can write m into L upon T. That is this is the time and this is the mass and here this is the latent heat. So now we can put the value m is taken in a kg. So we can write m kg into latent heat is the 80 into here water specific heat is 4.2 into 10 raised to power 3 joule per kg upon time is taken 50 minutes. Now here we take this equation 1. Now here we take from 50 to 60 minutes. 50 minutes to 60 minutes. And so we can write a rate of heat is means dq upon dt is equal to m plus 5 kg. And here this is the water specific heat of 4.2 into 10 raised to power 3 joule per kg and increases temperature. So that is the here in question is given the temperature increases 2 degrees Celsius. So here we can write this is the temperature is increases 2 degrees Celsius and time taken here this is the 10 minutes. Now take this equation 2 from equation 1 and 2. So here it is equal to 80 m upon 50 is equal to 2m plus 5 upon 10 because this is the cancel out. So here in equation 1 we have to come 80 m upon 50 and in second equation this is the 2 into m plus 5 upon 10. So here we can write down here solving this equation. So here 0 to 0 cancel. So here it is equal to 80 m upon 5. This is the 2m plus 10. And here calculate that is 80 m is equal to 10 m plus 50. And here this is equal to 70 m equal to 50. And m is equal to 50 upon 70. So 0 to 0 cancel. M will come 5 upon 7 kg. So this is the solution. So the initial of the mass is 5 upon 7 kg. Second option is the right. This is solution this question, guys. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.